Dear Diary, it's me again. I've traded the familiar streets of America for the ancient alleys of Marrakech, for the sunsets, the sounds, and don't forget the flavors. It's a new life of unexpected adventures and new friends, celebrating life as I start over, embracing a culture that feels like home, getting lost and finding my way again. From the sand dunes in the Sahara Desert and sleeping underneath the stars. Moving here feels right, and I'm making new friends. Truly, it's not a bad life at all. For the first time in a long time, my spirit has found an external match, a place that promotes peace but celebrates new journeys, new fun, different thoughts, a special kind of peace I never knew I needed. Here, hospitality meets tranquility and moves me in a way to feel more creative, dreaming of different flavors, thirsty for more experience, hungry for new opportunities. Dear Diary, I have found my new home, and I am happy here. Until next time, Rasheed.